Now, below that, you'll see your hosting package, and you'll also see a list of your domains. If you ever want to log into your WordPress website, maybe you forgot your password. If you click on WordPress admin, this will log you directly into your WordPress website. And then we're logged into the website where we can now work on it. But I'll go ahead and close the website. Next, let's click on Dashboard. Next, we have some general information about the website. We'll see the domain is active. We'll see the page speed insight score, which is basically how fast it is. We can see if there's any malware on our website and also view our resources on our websites. You can also clear the cache here manually by clicking on Clear Cache. Next, let's click on WordPress Overview. Next, we'll get an overview about our websites. Here you can force the HTTPS, which is essentially that little lock on websites. You can also enable maintenance mode if you're working on your websites. LiteSpeed is turned on. This will make your website a little bit more faster. And then also we have object cache. Now I do recommend to turn this on. This essentially will frequently cache your website, so users will always get the latest updated version of your websites. So I do recommend to turn that on. And again, if you want to flush the cache, you can do so right here. Below that, we have the LLMS.txt file. I do recommend to turn this on. This basically will enable your website to be indexed by ChatGPT and other AI robots. We also have Web2 Agent, and I do recommend to turn this on because this will utilize our website for AI tools like ChatGPT and a few others. And below that, you'll see that we have our SSL certificate active. Every website has an SSL, which again is that little lock right here, letting people know that the website is secured. And here at the bottom, if you ever want to install a fresh installation of WordPress, which I do quite often in my videos, you can actually install a fresh installation. Now, what this will do here is this will actually reinstall WordPress onto your website, and it'll completely erase and start your website over from scratch. So if you're working on your website, maybe you installed a lot of plugins, you can actually reinstall a fresh installation of WordPress and start from scratch. But I'll just go ahead and close this for now. And lastly, if you want to log into your website, you'll just click on WordPress admin and you can log in directly to your website using this button. But let's go back and click on Overview. The next thing I want to show you all is how to create free automated daily backups. Here we have backups. I'll click on Backups. On the backup section, you'll see that automated backups are already set to daily. Now you can always create manual backups as well, but you can only do this one time a day. Now, if you decide to back up your website, here under the View Backups, if you click on View Backups, you can restore your websites to any previous backup. This is very convenient, so you don't have to install a plugin and you can do everything right here from the hosting your account. And if you want to download a backup of your website, all you got to do is click on Download Website, and it will send you a downloadable link with all the files and databases to your email. Next, let's talk about how to create a staging